everyone, welcome back to another video. It is just after 6 o'clock here in Samara, on Playa Samara, and I just thought I would take you for a early morning beach stroll, something relaxing. Sun's just rising right now, so if you want to see the sunrise, definitely come out here early. It comes up over where Carillo is. Looks awesome, and I just wanted to share this with you. That's one thing about Costa Rica, is a lot of the beaches are so vast and nobody's on them. There's maybe 20 people out here right now. Even during the day, you can always find a spot to hang out. So a lot of people come to Costa Rica and like, oh wow, I didn't expect the beaches to be so empty just because they're so big. So just gonna go for a little walk this morning with you. Just put a little ambient music in now. Just kind of a chill morning. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. And also, if you like this video, hit a thumbs up. And let us know in the comments below if you want Shane and I to do more just chill walks on the beach, maybe other beaches, things like that. So let's go for a little walk. So it's a little windy. Hopefully it doesn't get too muffled. I have the wind socks on. But so up at the Conger Hall end of the beach, which is closest to see Casa, and we'll just walk past town and go just past Locanda. We'll head up closer to the restaurants. Should mention too, it's about mid-tide right now, so pay attention to tides if you want to walk the beach, just because you got to cross the estuary if you're coming from Conger Hall, and you get to walk on the harder sand on the ocean floor, which is easier to walk on than the soft sand. That's the main entrance of town. It's one of the cool things about walking at this time when the sun's coming up and you're walking this way, everything's shadowed in silhouette, and then when you walk back, everything's lit properly. You can see all the colors of the palm trees. So if you are looking, obviously, to travel here, this is a nice thing to do when you're down here, but if you are looking to move down, it's a good way to exercise. Start with walking. You can easily do 6K or longer, especially on Samara, Playa Samara, because you go all the way down and back. I usually do 6K when I do walk, so I go 3 and 3. And then, yeah, start running. Just have shoes that can get wet, or just be aware that they are going to get wet. Some dogs playing in the sand over there. Sometimes when you go on a walk, you'll have a stray dog just walk with you. So this is where Locanda is, the last restaurant in Samara on the beach. All right, there you go. Nice walk on the beach. Never gets old, especially at this time of the day. With the air, it's so cool. So yeah, I just thought I would share that with you guys. And those of you that watch up in Canada and the States that are in the cold right now, and in Europe, a little taste of paradise here, the warmth, just to get you through to your next visit to Costa Rica. But yeah, I'll leave the video off here. If you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come with new videos. Special thanks to our Patreon supporters. Your monthly donation helps keep making these videos and bringing them out for you every week. We try to do a video a week, sometimes two. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.